There's no denying Oscar-winning actress Gwyneth Paltrow looks great. So what's her secret? A morning smoothie that costs nearly $200 to make. Now your daily juice fix seems like a drop in the bucket. The 43-year-old shared the recipe on her infamously expensive lifestyle website, goop.com. And it's not $200 per smoothie, since the recipe calls for a pinch of this and a touch of that. Rather, the sum of the ingredients quickly adds up to the staggering price tag. And those ingredients are your run-of-the-mill almond milk, almond butter, coconut oil, and some weird stuff you've probably never heard of, like a $35 jar of parasitic fungus, $35 jar of vanilla mushroom protein, $25 worth of energy enhancers, and $65 worth of edible dust. And depending on which one you get, can either boost your spirit or your sex drive. But aren't strawberries much cheaper aphrodisiacs? Here's the full ingredient list, 11 total. The actress says she drinks this smoothie every morning and that it's a basic version and fruits can easily be added to it. And if you want to chop up those fruits before blending, she'd be happy to sell you a knife set for $750. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.